This is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday, the 1st of May. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we had a price come down towards 50.20, from which we did post a lower low. Pretty close towards our 49.78. We've had a move back up towards our 50.56. We've had a rejection, and we're currently having prices consolidate beneath this 50.56. There is a possibility of having a bit of an inverted head and shoulders here, and which is a bullish price pattern. So if we can break back above, hold on a second here. If we can break above and hold above the 50.56, we're then looking for price to progress towards our 51.25. And if we do successfully break from the 51.25, we're looking for moves up towards that 152 level. If, however, we do fail to hold on to this 50.56, or we do see that sell side momentum come into the market from 51.25, from 51.25, we're looking for a move to 50.56, and from a breakdown from 50.56, we're then looking for prices to retest this 49.78, which is the very next major level marked at here in red, from which we could potentially find support. If, however, there is sufficient volatility and we do break down from this 49.78, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside will be moved down towards that 49.10, and a successful break from which we'll be looking for a move down towards that 148.61. Now, we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the pound yen. We get the scale on here correct. Let's get the scaling correct. So if we get the scale on here correct on the daily chart here, let's drag this over a bit. We can see on this daily chart, we've had a strong move to the upside. We've posted a high, we've posted a lower high. We've had a bit of a retracement here, as would be expected with a candle of this size. Pretty large candle open to close. Very strong close on the candle, closing near its lows, closing on the lows actually. And we were having a bit of retracement, a bit of a doji the previous day with a wick to the upside. So just there is still remains some sell side momentum underlying this market. So again, if we do see a breakdown in prices, we won't be too surprised, as we've had a high, a lower high, very strong move. So we might see this retracement before we see that further downside momentum continuation here. Overall, in the higher time frames, there is a slight recovery. There is a slight bias to the upside, but for now, we do appear poised for further downside momentum, even if we might see a bit of retracement before we see the continuation here to the downside, while being aware that in around that 49.10 we do have the 200 period moving average here on this daily chart, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a potential bullish bounce from this level, and a move to the upside from that 49.10 if we were to see a retracement down towards that level. Now, with that said, that wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.